Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can set up your Google business profile. This is the easiest way for you to stand out on the internet, for you to be able to be found locally, to get your business on the map, Google Maps and Google Search. So let's get started. So to get started, you obviously first need to have a Gmail account set up to your that related to your business. I do have one. Once you logged into your Gmail account that you're going to link to your business profile, you can either go to Google and you can just Google my business. You can do it that way, or alternatively, you can click on the menu and you can just go to Google business profile over here. It's one of the tabs to get started. So once you're on this page over here, what you're going to need to do is you're going to have to click on sign in, and then it's going to say that then it's going to start the process of filling in your business details. So you're going to first click on find and manage my business. Go on find, add your business to Google, and then we're going to start with creating your profile. So over here, just going to click and put in your business name, and then this is quite important, your business category. So over here, you want to add the category of your business, because this is essentially what's going to help Google place your business in rankings for that category within your local area. So for example, I will look for something in travel, and then once you start typing, you can see that it will bring up a list of pre-populated categories that they have that you could choose from. You don't want to add too many of these because you actually want to be specific. So whatever your main or core business service is, I'd go with that. One or two max for that. You can click on travel agency, the one I'll go with, and I'll say next. And then it will ask you, do you want to add a location customers can visit, like a store or office? So this is obviously if you have a brick or mortar store and you want people to be able to find your location directly from your business profile when searching for that inside Google. So for example, another business profile that I have is over here. So if I click on that and I go to Google, we can see this comes on the side over here, and then this comes up with your website, your directions. You can save, you can call, you can have reviews. The reviews is very important for SEO and for building trust to your website. You can show your hours, your service options, and your address, and then directly from here you can also click on the location, in which case your maps will automatically direct that person to your physical location. But for me, the business that I'm setting up now, it will not have a physical location, so I will just go ahead and click on no. If I do click on yes, I'll just take you through it. It's just going to ask you for your address, and you can put that in over there, and that will be highlighted on Google Maps. So for me, I'm just going to say no because it's an online business, and I'm going to click on next. Create my profile. Where do you serve your customers? So this is an optional. So because I do not have a physical location, it's not going to put a pin on the maps. So what it will do is it will highlight an area, as you can see in the blue over here. So for example, I'll put in South Africa to service the entire South Africa, and then it will highlight that on my profile. You can go ahead and you can add your contact number, and then the website address that you have to add, and you can copy and paste that over there, and you can click on next. Stay in the know. Do you want updates and recommendations for your business on Google? I will select no. You can select yes. It's up to you. I have many of these profiles, so I'm fine with no. You can click on next. Please enter your mailing address to verify. So what's going to happen is that you need to actually put in an address so that Google can confirm and verify that you are an actual business, and they can verify that you have an address. So what they will do is they will send out a letter with a code inside it, and then you will receive that in 2 to 3 weeks time, and you will come back in here in 2 to 3 weeks time into your Google profile, and you will capture that number that they've sent to you to verify that you are indeed staying at this address. I'm just going to go ahead and fill in these details. Okay, so once that's done, we can select a way to get verified, add an email address, and we can add a phone number. Google needs to verify that you manage this business, and you can select how you would want that to happen. I'm just going to select text me, and it will send me a code to your phone, which you will need to just enter there, which 843. Once you have that code, you can capture that code and you can click on verify, and then you can say your code was accepted, and you can click on next after that. So now you can add your business hours. When is your business open? I'll just click on it's open every day, and I'll click on next. Say 24 hours, 24 hours, 24 hours, because it's an online business. So but obviously you can add specific hours to your specific business and when you are open, and that will show on your profile. Next, do you want to add messaging? So this is going to be able to allow your customers or whoever finds your profile online to be able to directly send you messages through Google. I will say yes. Add a business description. I'll just copy some headers. Put that in. Go next. Description of your business, and then you can also add some photos of your business. I think I will leave that for now. Actually, it does want something. Let me just try this. I'm just going to skip this. Easily advertise. So this, if you want to create ads with Google Ads, you can click on start now, and then as you can see on the left, you can start advertising with Google Ads. We're not going to do this, so I'm going to skip this, and then your edits will be visible once you're verified. So as soon as we are able to get the verification, they will publicly make our profile visible. So this is what it looks like, and this is where we can manage it. If we want to come back to add anything, all we have to do is make sure that we log into our profile and come over here and then just click on business profile, and that will bring us back to this over here, and then we can obviously go to business profile settings, and we can edit any information that we need to again over here. yeah, so once that's done and once you've verified your listing, um, you will come up in Maps, and for example, this is how it will look on Google Maps. So this will be your profile. You will have a pin over here if you've put in a physical location to a store, and you'll have your reviews. You can send out your link of your reviews to people to review your business, and people can then come to your profile and easily um, get directions, message you, send your location to somebody else, and also find you on the internet to actually to help you with SEO and to rank better, to be able to increase your business and your views of your website. Thank you. That's it. Goodbye.